I don't chase nothing. The money comes to me. Third trade today made me $2,000. All right, this is where I'm about to get my longs right now. You're gonna see I got my trades on. I got it on both. VIP for the event. We take L's, we show the team how it is. I show all the L's, show all the W's. And we finally got the Mercedes back. TP1, that's TP1. Anybody in the longs, that's TP1. I tell you guys this all the time, and I stress this every single day, every single week. You are going to take losses. Losses happen. The ones that aren't going to be profitable long term, the ones that aren't going to succeed long term, are going to be the ones that let the losses affect them. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today, it is Monday. It is approximately 9:22 in the morning, and we're about to get straight into VIP. We're about to get straight to it. We're about to see what we can do this week. Last week was, all right, yeah, let me connect them to something. But overall, we're gonna have a great day. We're gonna have a great week. It's the start of our real trading week. It's the first December trading week. First day of December to trade. It's December 2nd. It's Monday. It's 9:23. So that already happened. Let's just see if we can catch some trades. I'm not gonna force anything. As you guys know, I simply just come to the charts, follow my system, follow my rules, and let the markets set up for me. And then I simply take advantage of what I'm observing. I don't chase nothing. The money comes to me. Nah, I'm definitely bullish, but it don't look like we may get a trade. It looks like it already pulled back a little bit to that 4-hour gap. We never tapped it, so if we pull back still, I mean, I still got this area I would watch, but as of right now, yeah, I'm thinking if we can keep bullish and retrace to this gap, I'm definitely for the longs on 30. I mean, yeah, that's the bullishness I expected. Let's see if we get a retracement right here. I mean, this is the all-time high, so I mean, I want to be in longs, but at least got to retrace. Like, yeah, this is what I expected, just fucking bullishness. Yeah, if it runs the previous day's high, I don't want to get in longs at that point. I want to be able to get in the longs to target that previous day's high. That's my idea behind it. Oh, we got 60 people on the live. I think that's a record. But I got both the challenge I'm on plus my live account. I'm gonna try to trade if the trade gives. But I like the longs though, so we gonna see. I'm about to see if I get these longs. 50-point stop loss from the 1-hour gap. This looks a little crazy to y'all, but you know what? I trust it. All right, this is where I'm about to get my longs right now. Longs at the 1-hour gap, 50 points, stalos, 50 points. I'm looking to get out at the previous high. That's my trade idea. This is the one I just typed to y'all too, so we about to say. We're gonna see I got my trades on. I got it on both accounts. Let's see what we can do. Yeah, I'm in longs at the 1-hour gap. We gonna see 67 people watching. Let's see how Monday gonna treat me. Let's see. Spoke too soon. Maybe I spoke too soon. That shit's looking crazy now. Yeah, the first trade may be a little L. We gonna see though. I mean, it has volume, it's up and down, but the way that shit looking, it may try to stop me out first. That would be my only problem. But yeah, small L on that one. Small L on that one. Where is that? Where's the P and L? Yeah, I took a $400 L on that one. It's alright. Yeah, shit's looking dark. Look like it might just be a small L day, short day. Come on, 30, what you doing? All right, just like that, I'm off the charts with the team. I left the call up for Kel because I think Kel's going to still watch the chart and everything, see if he takes anything. Kel, as you guys know, he takes a little bit trades later in the day around 10. But I had one small L. I just sent the screenshot to the team. One L of $400 because my stop loss got hit. But we take L's, we show the team how it is. I show all the L's, show all the W's. Everything's transparent because I take L's just like anybody. And the real work is learning how to handle the L's, learning how to not blow your account after the L's, learning how to not overtrade, over leverage, and how not to get into your emotions and do some dumb shit because of how the L's make you feel. How you feel doesn't matter. You got to do what you're supposed to. And what I'm supposed to is walk away because this is not doing shit. All right, so as of right now, I'm sitting on the balcony and everything. Where's the sun? The sun's over there, so this would be a good angle right here. But as of right now, sitting on the balcony, what is the plan of action? One, we gotta go get dog food. Gotta get dog food. We're gonna go to Burlington because we saw some things that we're gonna grab from yesterday, so we're gonna grab those today also. We're gonna come back, drop that shit off. We're probably gonna go to maybe a couple stores or something, just go somewhere while we have the car because my Mercedes should be done. They said it should be done after lunch, so I'm assuming maybe around 1 to 2 o'clock my car should be done, and I got to return the Corvette at 4:30. So yeah, she wanted to go to Universal. I don't know if we're going to do that or not. But yeah, that's the plan of action right now, and I just got to go to the gym, create some content, go on Instagram Live. VIP's done. I took my small L for the day trading. It is what it is. We come back again tomorrow. The L's don't define us. It's just another little tax to the game. Look at my dog, she's chilling over there. Right, Luna? She don't care. But yeah, that's the plan of action right now. So let's get straight to work. I'll probably see you in the car. Oh yeah, it's brick. Big brick. But look, all I gotta do is, you hear that? And hold this. Oh, here they're waiting for us. Get that joint nice and warm. Gotta get it, it's the last day with it. All right, right now we're on our way to get the Mercedes. About time, gotta get the Mercedes, and we're about to drop off the Corvette afterwards. And the Corvette's parked right over here because I was not trying to take it in and out of this garage. Got it right in the VIP spot. VIP for the Vet. But yeah, the Vet was a great car, not gonna lie. I love the Vet. Oh yeah. But the Vet was a great car. Now I just gotta wait for my girlfriend to get in here, and then we got a long drive. I got like a 40-minute drive by myself, and she has to drive that way also because it's gonna be mad traffic. It's a whole lot of driving. Shit's about to be hectic, but it's just literally a whole lot of driving. But without that, I gotta get going. And we finally got the Mercedes back. $1,700 later. Looks like all the tires and everything are good right now. We got it next to the Corvette, but we gotta go drop this car off. We about to get this one started up, but they gave it a little clean. Could be cleaner. The only things I still need to do is I gotta get a new tire over here. But honestly, is this a new tire? Nah, that's my same tire. Gotta get a new tire, yeah. So, yeah. But now, let me get this taken care of. Back on the road. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Right now, I'm about to get VIP started. It is cold as shit right now. Anybody in Florida, bro, it is 9:20. So anybody that woke up for New York session today, you already know it's cold as shit. But we about to see what we could do. We took a small L yesterday, which we're gonna try to recoup today. It was only a $400 loss, so I'm not really tripping on it that much. But at the end of the day, there's money to be made. We got to see what we can do. So with that being said, we about to get straight into it. And honestly, look at what happened from yesterday. So if you guys remember the price action that I told you guys, ended up chopping around and doing bullshit. Look at this. This is when I stopped trading yesterday. It's a whole different day, and this is crazy work, but we're gonna see what we can do. It could push all at once. I honestly would probably wait for this high to get ran here, because I do like shorts more, but I'll wait. Patience, patience. Do I want to do anything right now? This shit is just wild. It's a very tricky situation, but this is the area I said I could watch for the possible shorts. Am I gonna take it? I'd rather take it a second, give it some time. I'm gonna take the 1 hour, I'm gonna take the longs up, just mainly because I wanna see it keep doing the opposite too. If it falls from here, I'm aware of it, because like I said, I would have rather been able to get out after we ran that high, but I'm gonna trust this a little short-term long. I'm not gonna go crazy. 50 points. If I'm wrong, then it's not like I could catch the shorts from here anyway. But we about to see first trade of the day, 50 points. I ain't gonna go too crazy on them. Got my stop loss. Let's see what we can do. For 3 seconds, bro. 3 seconds. Hey, I mean, at least Keno got it, shit. RIP, RIP. But last trade of the day, 50 point stop loss, NAS 100. Looking to target the previous day's high, best case the all-time high, which is right here. Just looking for 1 to 2. We almost at TP1. See, we about to get some of these losses back, but we gonna see. It ain't over till it's over. 58 people. See the other, we were almost at 70. Y'all weren't patient. The 10 of you weren't patient. You on that bullshit today, price action. Your target's a little closer than mine, but as long as we can keep getting these longs, we'll be straight. We be straight. It looks good so far, but it ain't over. TP1, that's TP1. Anybody in the longs, that's TP1. Where did I trade at? We at TP1 ski. Oh yeah. See, now let's wait for TP2. We're up a cool, right now I'm up about $520, but we gonna see. It ain't over till it's over. Ideally, next time I show the camera, I'm trying to be at TP2, because I ain't trying to have too many clips of this damn trade taking forever. Today was ass. Stopped that break even after I don't even know how much weigh in. What the US 30 do? I'm assuming 30 fell. Yeah, 30 still falling. Yeah, after getting stopped at break even on that first trade, I'm taking the last attempt after we retraced. It's 10:30. I want to see price continue go higher from this 4 hour and 1 hour gap. So we shall see. I like the trade idea. I like the all-time highs. I like the target. And I'm not risking a lot. It's just a matter of timing. Timing is key. Timing is key, but we'll see. We went from 68 people watching to 35. The patience game, it's one that most people don't want to play. I'm in profit again after that trade was in drawdown, but we came back to that 4 hour gap. We held it, and we holding strong. That's why I said until we hit that stop loss, it's not over. It's 11 o'clock. I'm not taking no more trades, but we still got to wait to see how this play out. I'm about to get TP1. Hit TP1, come on. Trade's almost there. Slowly but surely. For the people that waited, patience. But we waiting. It's just being mad slow. It's been a slow ass day. All right, right now, I'm waiting for the trade to hit. So I took 3 trades total. I took 1 loss on US 30, in which I lost about $600. So I was risking 5, but with the fucking how fast 930 was moving, it went past my stop loss a little bit, the little bit of slippage because I am on the Hanko trade account. So I lost a little bit of money there. But with the second trade, I got stopped at break even after hitting TP1, as you guys saw. And then this third trade, which was the same exact trade, same entry, same everything. We're at TP1 right now. I'm up approximately, probably like 1,000. I'm up 11, but TP will be 2, and this is the all-time high for NAS 100. So I'm gonna just be patient, let it run. I break even, so the worst I could lose is just the one trade that I lost. So we're just gonna let it play out because it's already mad late in the day. So about to get the rest of the day started. Good day so far. Good day. Trade is looking real whack. Trade is looking real whack. I'm damn near at break even, barely at TP1. And yeah, it's already 12:30, so I'm not gonna close the trade. I thought about closing the trade, but I already took a loss for the day, so if I close the trade, it's not gonna recoup the loss. So I'm better off just being patient, letting price action do what it do. So I'm gonna just get some editing done, get some stuff done on the computer, get together this full vlog and everything. Yeah, just do what we do every day. Still gotta go to the gym, still gotta go live at some point today, but we still have the rest of the day. The trade was looking good until it wasn't. And if we go to time, 12:30, go to the P&L, we went from being up 1,100 to being up 3. But listen, we're at break even, so hey, we can't lose money, but we'll see what happens. And look at that, patience, we're back up again. Looks like NAS is slowly starting to play out. We're almost at the same spot that we were earlier in the day, but it ain't over till it's over. We about to order some Chick-fil-A. So now we just got to key weighing. Ain't nothing I can do but key weighing. Luckily, this isn't on the funded because I want to be able to hold, but I can hold as long as I want. This is on the live. All right, and I got some good news for the trade idea. So we went just downstairs, got some Starbucks, and I got a croissant from the bakery. But the trade ended up hitting TP. I got a whole bunch of recordings on my phone because the trade hit TP while I was outside, so I didn't have the camera. But if I show you guys the trade right now, you can see it's running above the all-time high. Hit TP2. I got it all out. I was risking 1,000, and I made 2,000. As you guys can see, I can show you the trade, and I also will show you the recordings that I sent to VIP and everything. Patience. Look what fucking time it is. The amount of time it took for that trade to play out is crazy work, but it's over with now. I don't got to worry about it. Now I just got to continue getting the content for the day and giving you guys the value. I'm going to have a portion where I'm talking about something specific, so make sure you stay to the end of the video so you get the full dose of game. All right, team. And now I'm here to talk to you guys. As I told you, we're going to have a little talk about overall the reality of trading, because at the end of the day, you guys have seen within this vlog, I took a loss yesterday, right? That was my only trade of the day. I took 1 loss. This morning, I took another loss, equaling to 2 losses in a row. The trade after that was stopped at break even, which is a W, which broke the losing streak. And that trade after that, the third trade today, made me $2,000. I need you guys to understand the power in understanding having a positive risk to reward, having a good risk management plan. Because I tell you guys this all the time, and I stress this every single day, every single week. You are going to take losses. The most successful traders are the ones that know how to handle the losses, are the ones that are able to take an L and walk away, the ones that are able to take their L's and walk away, the ones that are able to take their L's and not let it affect what they're going to do as a result. Losses happen. The ones that aren't going to be profitable long term, the ones that aren't going to succeed long term, are going to be the ones that let the losses affect them. That let the losses let them overtrade, go on tilt, over leverage, stop following the rules, trade a pair they shouldn't, trade at a time they shouldn't. This is what happens. Most traders can't control their self. And I understand why. We don't like the feeling of losing. We don't like the feeling of not winning. We don't like the feeling of losing money. We don't like the feeling of showing up and feeling like the work we put in wasn't rewarded for it. But guess what? That's the business we are in. We have to learn how to understand that. This isn't a game where we just come into it and it's going to be easy. This is a game where it's you versus you. You holding yourself accountable, you following your rules, and you not getting in your own way. That's the main thing, getting in your own way. As traders, the main thing holding you back is yourself. You're self-sabotaging yourself majority of the time. Those days where you're losing all your profit, those days where you're blowing your account, it's because of you. Not the market, you. And I need you guys to understand that. I can take losses, but I know for a fact that I'm going to hold myself accountable, and I'm going to guarantee I hold my trade to its TP. I'm going to guarantee I'm not going to overtrade, not going to over leverage. I'm going to follow my rules every single day. I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow, but guess what? I'm going to focus on what I could do today. When I wake up tomorrow, I'm going to focus on what I could do today. When I wake up the next day, I'm going to focus on what I could do today. Focus on what is in your control. Risk management is in your control. You can control your entries and your exits. You can't control where the market's going to go, but you can control taking advantage of what you have in front of you. So with that being said, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was kind of like a vlog. It was more or less just overall trading for the most part. It was a very trading based video, but this is the reality of it. I take losses, but my wins are going to take over everything. Simple as that. If you want to learn my system and strategy that I use to catch that trade, and the same thing that I use to take all those trades, the free trading course, free trading webinars in the description. If you want to join the team so you can get access to my live trades just like the ones you all seen, with the access to 60 people live every morning, join VIP. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.